Okay, sorry about that. Was just trying to organize myself properly. Hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Excited to be here for yet another session. So come through, talk to me. Let me know how you are doing, how your day has been, how everything is going on. Right about now, as we can see, gold OTC. That is what we are trading today. So come through, let us analyze the market together. Let us give thoughts about what we think about the market such that we move together. The whole thing of these sessions that we have, one is for us to learn, improve ourselves, become better traders. So come through, let us learn a few things here and there. Let us better ourselves. Okay, so gold OTC, I've set my amount at 500 US dollars, 15 seconds. That is my time expiry. Okay, still with the alligator indicator as my main indicator, backed up by the MACD indicator. Okay, so let me see what is going on in the chat section. Hi, my beautiful people over there. I see Kevin. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Jen, hi, Jen. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Always excited to see new people sending messages, people in the chat section busy here and there. So you are all most welcome. You're all most welcome. Nico over there, I see you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for always coming through. Lily, hi, how are you? How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Valerie over there, hi girl, how are you doing? Let me hope you are well. Over here, your girl Lena is doing amazing. So let us see what Gold OTC has for us today. Okay, there comes Survey. Hi, Survey. How are you doing? Hope you are well. The day is going on well. You too, on your end over there. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. A tie. Hi Ty, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great as we buy over here. Let us see what Gold OTC has for us today. Okay. Okay, so Ty over there. I'm saying, can you please trade for me? For that, I believe yesterday I gave you a small insight about it, but let me take you through. So that is for the donations. You go in my YouTube bio. You will be able to see the donations link. Click on it. It will first give you the terms and conditions that I go by, and then after that, the other steps are quite easy for us to understand. That is where you give me your name. Let me give an example. Ty, the amount of money you're sending in, which is 350 US dollars. Then how many times do you want me to multiply that money that you have sent in for the donations? 2 times, 3 times, once, 4 times, depending, but the maximum number is 5. So you let me know such that I know how to go about it. Then the other very important thing is for you to send me your crypto wallet. with a crypto wallet, that is where I transfer your profits to after a win. So that is how the donations go about. The other thing that I always emphasize so much, is for you to know about risk management. One, send in something that you are willing to lose. Do not send in your last savings, because we all know that the market is unpredictable. We cannot really know how the market is going to perform. I will do my best, but at the end of the day, send in something that you are willing to lose in case a loss comes, all right? So that's how we move with the donations. I just wanted you to know all bits about it, okay? So when you know that, you sit down, you come to terms, agree that you are going to send in your donations, then I do trade for you. This is a voluntary, you do it willingly. It is, you do it voluntarily. I do not force anyone to send in donations. That is also the other important thing that we have to know. Okay, you do it willingly. I do trade for you. We make profits and then we move on. Okay, so thank you very much. That is what I can say about the donations. Very many people send in their money, but forget the crypto wallet. So what happens when I make profits for you and I do not have your wallet? Definitely, I cannot trade someone's amount when I do not have full information. But I'm just giving an example. So if you've not sent me where to put your profits after winning, then what happens? So when you are sending in your donations, make sure to give me the full information, all the details, the way I ask for them. Right. No, no, no. A laugh over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. I see you over there. We are having profits in and out. Okay, so far gold OTC is treating us well. Come through. Let me know what do you think. What do you think as I place in myself position over here? Okay, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Kareem, hi Kareem, how are you doing? Hope you're well. There comes a Clay. Hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing great. I see Shadam. Hi Shadam, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing over that side. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in the chat section. Thank you for sending in a message. I'm so excited to have each and every one of you here, to have you guys come through, talk to me, inquire about this and that. Let us chat. Let us keep improving ourselves on the different strategies, different ways of trading. I see very many people. Oof, I've made a loss over here. Sorry about that, but we keep going. We keep going. We keep going. Okay, so as I was saying, I have very many people who show they are interested in learning a few things here and there with the strategy that I use. So, with that, let me hope some of you went to my Telegram and at least you are trying to get something out of it. So, I will be posting some videos here and then, but for that will be it will be once in a while. What I want is for us to understand the basics of trading, to understand the strategy that Lena is using, how to improve yourselves. You go through them, understand, see where you yourself can improve more, because you might find that I will not give you all the information there is for us to learn and be perfect in trading, but I will give you what I can. What does that mean? Go down, sit and add or get more information on what I have said, to see that at least you are able to improve on the trading that you have been carrying out. Okay, Maria, hi Maria, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. That is definitely very, very true. We, before we start trading, there are a lot of things to consider. We look at things like risk management. That is when when you are still planning. How much do I have on my account? How much should I place in? How much should I risk out? Okay, so we have risk management. Then with that, we have to be disciplined, we have to be patient, we have to be consistent. If we have a certain pattern or a certain way we are trading, then we have to be consistent. We have to understand exactly how to do things with a patience, being disciplined, risk management. There are a number of things. Then also emotional control. We have to make sure that our emotions are in check. That helps us a lot, because when you come to trade and your mind is not straight enough, losses come through a lot. So, those are some of the things that you have to sit down and look at. Organize yourself properly before you enter the market. Because I will tell you this, the market is not our friend. Okay, we need to come here, make profits off the market. That is very, very true. But at the same time, we need to have the knowledge that we need for us to get into the market. All right. So, with those few things in check, trading becomes easier and it becomes better for us. Alessandro, hi Alessandro, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you guys here. And the other thing is, for the new people that are just joining in, you're all most welcome. Happy to have you around. Like and subscribe. Let us keep it here. Always, each and every single day, I am live and I am streaming each and every single day. So, like and subscribe. We shall be getting a notification before the live goes. Okay, so Let us keep it here. We keep it exciting. And like one of our friends was saying, we keep focused, but at the same time, the vibe is there as well. We do not have to be so focused, so serious all the time. The vibe has to be in check as well. Okay, so you're all most welcome. Happy to have you around. Nori over there. Hi, Nori. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are amazing. Kevin, how are you? How are you? Thank you. That is what we should be doing, okay? Emotions in check. Emotions have to be in check. That is it. Thank you. Hi, Otta. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you. Happy to see you. Today is yet another amazing day, a beautiful day for us. Thank you guys for always joining in. Happy to have you around. There we have Prince Will. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Thank you very much for coming through. There I'm seeing that is Jasua. Sorry if I pronounced the name wrongly, but I'm happy and excited to have you around, to see you join in. Thank you very much. You are made a loss over here. There comes a Prem. Hi, Prem. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. For the new ones that are just joining in, please hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us enjoy the session together from today moving onwards. Let us be here together. We chat, we focus with the trading, we learn a few things here and there to better our trading, because at the end of the day what we are looking at is for you to sit back home and be able to place in trades, be able to get some profits here and there. All right, so come through. Let us see how the day is going to go. Santos, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Excited to see you. Alpha, hi, how are you? Elena over here is doing great. I'm doing great. I'm doing amazing. Thank you guys for coming through. Yes, Alpha. For us who are trading on an open market, that's why you're seeing OTC. With OTC, that simply means over the counter. I know you are like, today is a weekend. How come Lena is able to trade? I'm able to trade because I'm dealing with an open market. Okay, I'm dealing with an open market. I know very well today is a weekend, so the other markets are closed and we are waiting for a new week for us to be, for the market to start opening. But with OTC, I'm dealing with an open market. I'm able to trade over the weekend, public holidays, any day of the week. All right. So that's it. That's how I'm able to be here trading on a weekend. I'm saying Pacific over there. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. So for the donations, you're going to go in my YouTube bio. Click on the donations link. It will it will take you, you will see a few terms and conditions. Then after that, the other processes easy. The steps are easy to follow. That's where I ask you for your name. Let me give an example. Pacific, the amount 350 US dollars. You tell me the number of times you want me to trade for you, okay? After that, make sure to send in your crypto wallet or your digital wallet. That is where I transfer to your profits after I've made wins for you. Okay, so that's how easy the process is. Go through it. It's a voluntary way of donating. I do not put you on pressure. I do not force you to send in the donation. Go through it. Depending on how you are standing, you send in a donation. If it's not possible, then you can see maybe next time. But thank you very much. Okay. Okay, thank you, Jen. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Jen. Thank you. I see you over there. Okay, Nico, thank you very much. Lily, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Yes, we are locked in, no rush, just focusing and definitely vibing here and there. Okay, I'm seeing Mari over there. It's gambling. I cannot say much about that, but one thing I can tell you is get some knowledge about trading, and then we see how to better ourselves in trading instead of guessing. Probably maybe that's what you are doing, but get some knowledge about exactly what is going on, and then we start from there. Okay, Emmanuel. Hi, Emmanuel. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great over there. Okay, that is Sue John. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for always being around. Thank you for sticking around a video truck. I see you over there. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you are well. Tito over there. Hi, how are you? How are you? Hope you're well. What is your time frame? So for the chat time frame, that is 15 seconds. That is 15 seconds, and the time expiry 15 seconds as well. Then the candle close, that is 5 seconds. Okay. DJ System, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. It's yet another beautiful session. Happy to have you around. Excited to see you come through each and every single day. Yes, please. You are very, 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 very visible. I see each and everyone, trust me, and I do appreciate you guys for taking off your time, for coming through each and every single day, for sticking around. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. You are very, very visible, trust me. You're very visible. Oof, that's a loss over there. I'm trying to see how this name goes. I think it's Naya. Naya. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Lily, once again, there, this. Thank you. Thank you very much. Those are some of the tips that we all have to attach ourselves to. The discipline, the patience, risk management, being consistent, emotional control. There are a number of them that we need to be looking at, that we need to consider so much to keep us focused, to keep us in check, to keep us going exactly how we are supposed to go. Okay. So thank you very much for that, and thank you for always reminding us. That is very, very important. Let me go over here. We see. Okay. Okay, so I'm just finalizing a few things here such that we get into the donations. Right, so I'm finished with my list over here. We are going to get into our donations. Okay, so as we see, the list is already over there. Wild 350 US dollars, we are looking at a take profit of 2 to 500. Okay. Okay, beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. But remember, we are just getting started. We are just getting started. We are looking at 5,500 US dollars. Okay, so with the discipline, the focus, this is where we get in. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. So that is for our second attempt. But remember, we are looking at Remember, we are looking at 2,500 US dollars as our take profit. Okay, let us get into it as we placing a cell over here. Let us see. Amazing, amazing. Look at that. We are already at 2K. We are already at 2K. This is amazing. Just a few dollars to make it 2,500. Divine, hi, Divine. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Video track, exactly, exactly. That is it. That is it. Look at that. Look at that. We have our first win over there. That is for Wild Fog. Congratulations. Congratulations to you. Okay, so for the people that were asking about the donation, so that is how it's done. So when I get your profits, then I have to transfer them to your wallet. All right. So that's why it's important for you to share your wallet with me. Okay. Okay, so that is Ethereum wallet. Congratulations. Next, we have a Robin. That is 700 US dollars, and we are taking it for three atoms. Okay, so we are getting ready to get into with Robin's donation. Let us see. We are positive, and today we are here to collect a profit. So let us stay positive. Let us believe for the very, very best. Sir Mike over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing okay over there. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. I have a blessing over there. Hi, how are you doing, my dear? Thank you for always sticking around, for coming through. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. I appreciate you so much. Okay, so for each and every one of us who are sending in messages, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for keeping the chat section active. You know, we are vibing at the same time. We are taking wins, right? That that is for sure. That is what we are looking for. And that is from Nico over there. Thank you very much. Alessandro, discipline looking strong today. Thank you. For the people in the chat section, you're all most welcome. I do appreciate you so much. For those that have not liked and subscribed, please go ahead and do so, because each and every single day, this is the vibe that we are always having. We focus on our trades, and then the vibe is also in the air, all right? We need to have a beautiful and an amazing day, okay? We win, we make profits, at the same time, we enjoy ourselves. Okay, that is Ty asking a question. Was it Ty or I'm saying Abid? Okay, thank you, Video Truck, for the response. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate you so much, so much. Thank you for the response. That's it. As you can see, Video Track is very, very active today. Thank you very much. Okay, let us get into it by selling here. Okay, beautiful. That is our first agent. We have two more to go. Yes, look at that. That is amazing. That is amazing. Congratulations. That is our second win. We have one more to go. One more to go. Jen, I see you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. That is Joe. Thank you. I appreciate you. A sword ministry. Okay, I did not see that question over there. I did not see that question. Otherwise, we would have given you the response. Oh, beautiful. That is amazing. Okay, so Robin, over here we have a plus. We have profits for you. Congratulations. Congratulations to Robin. Okay, even a video track did not see the question. I do not know. Maybe it was, I did not see it. Probably, maybe you can help us or you can kindly resend it. Okay, about the donation, I'm saying about the donation, please go in my YouTube bio. You will see the donations, a link over there. Go through it. The steps to follow are quite very easy for you to understand. One, you send me your name, the amount you want me to donate to the amount you're donating, then how many times you want me to trade for you. Okay, then do not forget your wallet. That is where I deposit to your profits. Okay, Nicole, thank you very much. Nixon, hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Jason, okay, so for Robin, that is a Tether wallet. Congratulations to you. Next, we have Ari, 350 US dollars for atoms. Okay, for our first attempt, we have a plus. Let us keep it that way. We keep having pluses because that is the way to go. That is M NATO Real. The platform is Pocket Option. That is Pocket Option, not Cortex. Okay, we get into the second attempt. Oof. So sorry about that. That is for Ari. I've made a loss in the second attempt. So sorry about that. My sincere apologies. Really sorry. Okay, so next is a Phantomoth, 900 US dollars, one attempt. Beautiful. So we asked for one attempt, and there we are. We have a plus. You say I want it that way. Okay, Bitcoin wallet for Phantomas. The platform is a pocket option. Okay, Orlando will be next. That is 350 US dollars. We are taking it for 5 items. Hiding from the rain and snow, trying to forget, but I won't let go. Looking at a crowded street, listening to my own heartbeat. So many people all around the world. Tell me, where do I find someone like you, girl? Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. We have 4 more to go. 4 more items to go. They say nothing lasts forever. We're only here today. Love is now or never. Bring me far away. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. That is beautiful. Let us keep it going like that. Let's keep it going like that. And we see that we get some profits. Standing on a mountain high, looking at the moon through a clear blue sky. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have just 2 more items to go. Just 2 to go. Too much talking without saying anything. All I need is someone Yes, yes, yes. Okay, the last attempt should give us a plus. Okay, I'm saying people are saying who else is new? That is Tamra over there. Please like and subscribe. You're most welcome. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. Look at that. Oh my goodness, congratulations. Five items, and then we have been able to make a profit out of that. Congratulations. That is to Orlando. That is to Orlando. Okay. For the new people, like I was saying, please like and subscribe. Let us keep it here. We keep it each and every single day. We are here live same time. So come through. When you like and subscribe, definitely you will always be getting a notification before the stream starts. So happy to have you around. Thank you for joining in. We are in for positive news, positive vibes all the way. Okay, that is a module likes 650 US dollars. We are taking it for just two items. Thank you. Thank you. That is Wara over there. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you, Kevin. That is it. I am focused. I'm focused, and the vibe keeps going. Definitely, when we are focused, the results become better, better, and better. All right. Thank you. Jane, that is, as I buy here, that is what I want for each and every one of us, right? We have that confidence, when you have that knowledge, you definitely end up having the confidence in what you are doing. Look at, we have a plus over there. So one more item to go. One more item to go. That is for module likes. Okay, let's see. Okay, that was close. That was close. I'm telling you, that was close. But we have a plus. Congratulations, congratulations. That is two modulites. Congratulations. Today we have harvested. Today we have gotten a lot of profits. So, to my beautiful people in the chat section, thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for the love over there. Thank you for the support. Thank you very, very much. And thank you for reminding me that I need to stay focused. I have to be focused to make sure that we get the beautiful, beautiful results that we are looking for. Billy over there, how are you? How are you doing? Hope you are well. Abdul, oh, Abdul over there, how are you doing? Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Always happy to have you around. Yes, I can see, and I know that you are my number one fan. Thank you very much for always coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, Billy, that is Gerald. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Like and subscribe. Let us keep it going. We keep it interesting, amazing, focused, full of beautiful energy and beautiful vibes, positivity all the way. In the end, we end up having our profits like we want to. Joshua, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Okay, Tamra over there. Market looks tricky today. It does, but trust me, we are nailing it. We are nailing it. Stay focused. We stay focused and definitely we are looking at risk management so highly and so greatly. Osco Free, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you around. Okay, that is a bit. So for the candle, for the candlesticks, that is 5 seconds. I take it for 5 seconds. That is a Tether wallet for Modulax. Congratulations to you once again. Mentalizer, 350 US dollars for atoms. Oscar Free, thank you very much. I really do appreciate. Thank you for the support. Thank you for being here with me all the way. Thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Thank you very much. Okay, we are taking it for four attempts and we have our first win already. Three to go. Okay, we see it over there. That is amazing. Two more to go. Two more to go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. A video track. I see you. I see you over there. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys so much. So much. Thank you. Okay, we go in for our third attempt. Made a loss over there. So sorry about that. That was on our third attempt. We have made a loss. My sincere apologies. Okay, for the indicators, the setup, first of all, we have the alligator indicator is set at default, the MACD indicator as well set at a default. So the way you see them there, that is at 13, 8, and 5. That is for the alligator indicator. Okay, then for the MACD, it's set at 12, 26, and 9. That is what we are having. But at some point, it might also depend on what you are basically looking at, either trend continuation or something else. Then you plus in your settings. Okay, I still have a few minutes. Let me add on. That is Antoine, 800 US dollars, taking it for one attempt. Okay, we are taking it for one attempt with a buy over here. For our first attempt, we have a made loss. Let me give it one more try. We see. Okay, Dima over there, I see you. See you. Trust me, trust me. There are those days that are really, really very, very good. Then there are those days that are 50-50, that are comme ça, around there. But when we get the beautiful and amazing days, definitely the happiness is always there. Let me buy. Okay, so that is for our one attempt, and we have a plus over here. We have a plus. Congratulations, that is to Antoine over there. Okay, we go forward to the wallet still. Okay, I'm having mojito star. That is 350 US dollars. Taking it for one attempt. First attempt still, we have made a loss. Let us give it one more try. We see. Okay. All the time, what I always want is to close with a profit. But okay, okay. Okay, so as I was saying, in most cases, I always want to close my donations with a plus. But today, I have closed it with a loss. So sorry about that. That is for Mojito Star. My sincere apologies. I believe next time it will be much, much better. We shall have profits. For the people that have gone away with profits, congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. And those that have made losses, I'm so sorry. My sincere apologies. Thank you guys for the session. It has been so amazing, so full of life, so full of love, so full of positivity. Thank you very much for sticking around. I do appreciate you. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you very much. I do appreciate you so much. Everyone that has participated, and for those that are new, please keep it here, like and subscribe. Let us see how tomorrow, the other day, will go. So, thank you for making today possible. I will see you tomorrow. Have a lovely, lovely day. Have a lovely evening, night, morning, depending on your time zone, wherever you are tuning in from. I'm so grateful to you people. Have a bye bye.